Hi guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Today we're going to be making an easy headband that you guys can make at home. It's going to be like a turban type of headband. You guys just need to find an old t-shirt. It doesn't matter about the size, we're going to just use the very ends of the t-shirt anyways, and a pair of scissors, and that's it. It's going to be super easy. I chose this old shirt because of the pattern. You guys can choose a blank one. You guys can even choose a white t-shirt and decorate it at the very end, whatever you guys want. So let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is fold your t-shirt in half and then lay it down flat like this. So see, mine is in half. I'm just making sure that mine is not lumpy or anything like that. Really, all I care about is this bottom piece right here. So I'm just gonna make sure that that bottom piece is not lumpy or anything like that. Once I pretty much got it, you're gonna get your piece, and I'm gonna cut mine about that thick. It's also kind of up to you how thick you guys want it. So that part's totally up to you. So I'm gonna cut mine. Okay, so now I got mine, and I'm gonna open it up so you don't even need this piece anymore. And then if you mess up, you can do it a million more times, because you can see how you still have the ends of the shirt. But of course, you're gonna have to do more of these. I'll show you right now. So I have my loop like this. You're gonna basically turn it into like an 8 or an eternity symbol. You're gonna do this probably one more time or 2 more times, depending on your head size. So maybe for me, I'm gonna let one go. And then you're gonna combine it together like this. And there is your cute headband. I don't even know if this will actually even fit my head. Maybe I should have even used a bigger size like this. So that's what I'm saying. You guys can even, if you guys don't like how thick you made it, I actually think that this is my preferred thickness. So I'm just gonna even try to straighten it out. I mean, stretch it out. But you guys can keep going and try as many times as you guys want. You guys could make some for your sisters, for your mom, aunts, whatever you guys want. And that's it. This is your cute little headband. Let me try to put it. Oh, this actually fit me after stretching it out a little bit. It actually did fit. See, a cute little DIY headband. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week for my popsicles Zoom call. I hope you guys all join in. Bye. See you guys next time.